Here is a structured approach how parents can help their children have an enjoyable holiday. The purpose of this video is to mention the importance of a well-planned holiday for children's happiness and development. The first point is when parents plan ahead, set goals for this holiday, there are benefits which are 1. Learning new skills, 2. Exploring interest, 3. You can relax. How can you do that as a parent? You need to involve your children. Parents, be involved in your kids by planning activities to ensure that the holiday reflects their interest. You need to create a balanced schedule. How? Have a mixed activities. Balance between structured activities like educational trips or workshops and free time for relaxation. Be flexible. How can you be flexible? Parents, be flexible in the schedule to adapt your children's moods and interests. The second point is for you to encourage learning through fun. How? Through educational trips, you can visit places like the science centers, the zoos, or historical landmarks. Skill development, you can do that. Enroll your children in workshops or classes. Examples, arts and crafts. Cooking, yes. The third point is for you as a parent to ensure safety and comfort for your children. You need to keep your children safe and healthy, such as letting them or keeping them staying hydrated and protecting them from sunburn. Then for your comfort, what do I mean? When you go out, make sure you pack essentials and ensure that your children are comfortable during outing. The fourth point is for you to make time for family bonding. Parents, you can engage in family activities that promote family bonding like game nights or you go out for family movie days. Yes, spend quality time with your children by sharing meals or engaging in hobbies that they love. Now, you need to document all these activities. Take pictures, photographs, make videos to capture special moments so our children will not forget. Parents, please be flexible and adaptable to ensure that your children have a memorable and enjoyable holiday. Now, please, my viewers, share your own holiday tips or experiences in the comments section. Viewers, please subscribe for more content on parenting and family activities. Thank you. Bye.